to Rowlett now. Teenagers in custody there. Police are trying to figure out why he had a rifle and hundreds of rounds of ammunition and a mask as he sat inside of his van outside 2 sporting events. I know Yona Gavino talked to police today. She's live for us at the scene. What did they tell you, Yona?
Rowlett police, Doug, they're telling me tonight they are still hard at work investigating why that suspect was parked outside of Rowlett High School. It's very near a city park. He reportedly told officers when they approached him, "I am not a school shooter."
How many times have you been here? I'm trying to figure out why you're here with a rifle and a mask, man.
When officers found 17-year-old Diego Horta sitting in a van with weapons, ammo, and drugs, they wanted to know why.
What's the mask for? Huh? What's the mask for?
I just like nothing mine.
Oh, dear.
Police told me his answers didn't add up. Horta initially insisted he didn't have weapons and lied about his age.
I forgot, and I'm so used to calling myself 16 that I just forgot that I just turned 17.
Horta isn't a student or even a resident of Rowlett.
Where you live at?
Over in Garland.
Why are you over there?
Because I just wanted to get out and just like talk to my friend. And
Detective Cruz Hernandez tells me there was a basketball game and a soccer game Tuesday night.
His purpose for carrying the rifle at the city park and so close to the high school is still unknown.
Yeah, it does seem really suspicious, so you never know.
Junior Gavin Garcia is grateful officers spotted Horta.
I feel pretty relieved, but then again, you know, someone else might try and do it.
And we feel confident that we had a better outcome than we could have had if he had gone undetected.
Horta is charged with possession of a controlled substance and unlawfully carrying a weapon in a weapon-free zone. And Rowlett police saying as well they have not managed to connect him yet to any planned crime, but clearly this teenager had a lot of red flags. Live in Rowlett, Yona Gavino, CBS 11 News.